I have 3 shows. Wakostan, 27 June, 21 August, Sibani Sami Hotel, Eswatini, 26 September, Carnival City Big Top Arena. For the South African shows, tickets are available at Web Tickets. For Eswatini, she post and details, but I'm just letting you guys know so that tell your friends to tell their friends, get your tickets. Wakostan, get your tickets mangabe kukuthi available ngomhla 27 June. So nansi indaba. Nginomngani la who is running a successful business. Umngani, she's just always standing on business. If she's posting about her business. If she's talking passionately about her business. And if I can just rewind back, ngiyakhumbula ukuthi she is someone who's always had the passion for the business lela kulona. There was a time ngangidinga nje usizo about shopping into yokugqoka, and she was like, oh, I'm gonna tell you. And she was so excited. Wangiphelezela, wangingenisa ama-shops, and she put together ama-items ukuthi ungagqoka lokhu kuhlanganisa nalokhu kuhlanganisa, and I did buy all those things that she was suggesting. But I saw passion, and then when a couple of years later she started having her own clothing shop, it just made sense to me. This is the girl, this is what she does, and of course she's gonna succeed in this thing because she is obsessed. She's always researching about the latest trends and into ke ngenza ngimcabange umngani ukuthi I realize ukuthi just by observing her and her journey ukuthi you succeed in life through your obsession with whatever it is le oyifunayo. Like into engakulalisa ebusuku, yabo uthola ukuthi mhlambe kuyalalwa wena ubhizi ucabangana nalento ukuthi kambe how can I better this thing, kambe yini enye engayi-eda, kambe ikuphi okunye engakuspice up ngakho. That is the only way. Like thina as abantu, we waste time thinking about izinto engenamsebenzi. Like yabo mangabona, that girl is about God, her business, her family. Akukho kunye esixoxayo makuthiwa sihlangene naye ngaphandle kwebhizinisi, ukukhola kwethu, umndeni. Like ayikho enye into, akafuni kwenza lutho, akafuni itshwala, akafuni emjolo, akafuni business la. And I just got so inspired, and I feel so blessed ukuthi I am exposed to that level of workmanship, because kuyangikhuthaza nami ukuthi oh, so whatever you want, clarity, obsession, ila nje kuwena ingqondo yakho, imicabango yakho, ifiso zakho, amagama akho, ukubona kwakho, ubukani. Yabo njengamanje njengoba ngenza le video, mhlambe yena online uyaqalaza ukuthi yini esifikile in the game, who's wearing what, who's doing what. In fact, bonke abantu engibaziyo who are running successful businesses, whether they are learned or not, whether they come from a well-off family or not, whether they humble beginnings, they are all successful njengamanje, and the only thing that they have in common is a laser focus, is that they just are only about the thing that they are doing. Ayikho enye into abayikhulumayo. I see like business people at Jimini, they just talk about laba sebe successful kakhulu, ama-stocks, amabani, ama-offshore, and then holidays with the family and the kids. Guys, you will never go wrong, because whatever takes your energy, and mangabe ukuthi wenza into wrong, uzozahlulela wena, and because uyazahlulela wena uzofeyila ukwenza lento ekufanele ukuthi uyenze because you are wasting your energy on something you know for a fact ukuthi you've got no business doing. So focus. If you want to change your life, focus. Ishiye into engeze ukuyishintsha nje impilo yakhe, engeze ukuyi-improve, iyeke leyo nto, angikhathali ukuthi yini leyo, iyeke. If kuwukuthi uyazazi ukuthi ufunani, awuke nje mhlambe uthathe isonto, 1 week of just focusing on the thing, only on the thing that you want. Maliphela lelo sonto ubuye uzongitshela ukuthi ayikho yini indlela ekusondezile to your dream just by